yo, check it out. It's your boy Jilla.
It's Ricky Rick.
And P acting brand new because we got these mics. How they sounding, P?
Y'all sounding
immaculate.
Bet.
Hey, my man over there.
Almost slipped though, almost slipped, bro. I lost my balance a little.
Right.
Yo, what? I'm on some seafood time today.
I started laughing. Come on, let's go. So if it say link, that's when you know you're in the hood.
All right, come on. Yo, check it out. It's your boy Jilla.
It's Ricky Rick.
And we pulling up to your local hotspot with
The Munchiez.
Hey yo, so check it out. This week we stopping at a brand new spot, just open, Seafood City, right here off 99th. You dig? So they got crab legs, chicken wings, perch,
Jerk tacos, right?
jerk tacos.
They got the Birria, you know what I'm saying? The Birrias, casitas.
They got Birria shrimp tacos.
Oh yeah.
And he said he gonna let us try them. So he said he wanted me to specify this too.
Yeah, go ahead, tell them, G.
He got the king crab legs with the real meat, and the deep fried imitation crab legs, and they both fire. That's what he told us. You know what I'm saying? So what that's like,
Hey man, that's like saying I'm gonna cop the real J's or I'm gonna cop the Team J's.
One of them spicy. I ain't never heard nobody admit that, my G. But we out here, we finna let y'all know what it do. You did. One of them spicy.
One of them spicy, you know what I'm saying?
We're gonna go ahead and let y'all know what's popping off, you dig, at the Seafood City, man. Holla at your boy. Let's go.
Get it.
Hey! Woo! With the good motherfucking wheels! Bruh. First of all, tell them where we at. Where we at right now, man? You already know.
Now we at Seafood City, 1233 West 99th Street. As you can see, we got some of the best food critics out here to taste this food, to let you guys know what they think, with their honest opinion of tasting some of our dishes that we have. We got more to come, but this is what we have for them laid out. We got shrimp, dipping tacos. We have jerk tacos. We got our golden brown shrimp, king crab, lobster tails deep fried, snow crab, fried chicken, and the biggest thing that put us out there, imitation deep fried crab. We're gonna let them taste all of this, you know, and see what they think. I'll hand it over to my partner, Matthew. He gonna let y'all know some other things.
The biggest thing we really want y'all to try the imitation crab, set it straight, let them know the taste, whatever, how y'all feel.
We gonna try them first
then.
then. Let me see what's going on right now. Them motherfuckers smacking. Hey, on everything, they don't taste imitation though.
You don't taste it. Let us know. We want that first fresh bite though. Have some different tacos. What's to it? What's it talking like? What's to it? Tell the people what's to it.
I can't even say nothing, bro. Hey.
Yeah.
Oh my mama. This shit fire right here. I like the crust.
Again.
Look, these imitation joints buzzing. They taste real now. And I'm finna dip it with the sauce though. Seafood City, man. Come holla.
This is the lemon garlic butter. And then that's the signature sriracha butter.
Hey, this fire.
Try a lemon
Man,
butter.
my man scared, man. You better get up in there, man.
Right. Get up in there. Let us know how that lemon garlic butter tastes.
Oh, yeah. Look. That's it right there. That's it right there, bro. Y'all taste one of them things, bro.
Man, y'all want to come try it, come on over here and taste it, man.
That joint hit, bro.
Don't be scared. We don't mind y'all coming over here joining up in this thing. We want y'all to taste all the good old festivities. Man, get up in there, man. That little bitty dip.
jerk taco. And then that sauce so good to go with anything though. But they go out different tacos, different things in there.
I'll try them wings too, man.
Ah, that thing looks good.
Too much. You got it going.
Look at Pete, look.
Whole camera crew down here. Baby girl. No, I know I can wait. Go ahead, get
Mess it up.
I should have bought the scissors for y'all.
Man, there's so much food, bro.
Yeah, we out here live. Seafood City.
Squeeze that lemon on that thing.
Underscore Munchiez with a C. You can put that in some lemon garlic butter.
Golden it is, bro.
Cow.
I can't even think right.
Distinguish that taste, huh?
Just that taco, man. I want to show them how you got.
Get up in there.
You don't need no lemon pepper for that chicken,
I
right?
don't need nothing. You good?
You eat it right off the damn plate.
What about them dipping tacos, man? Was that something new for y'all? Was that something new?
Hey, I ain't never had no shrimp joint.
How about the shrimp?
That was a different. Share, y'all. Share this video. Share it. Share it.
All right, 5 for sure.
5 food.
8-5 food for sure.
Down to the sauce.
Hey, that sauce though?
That's it.
Share it.
We do our thing over here,
Aim to
man.
please. We didn't do nothing different. We didn't do nothing special for these guys. This is how we do it all day, every day when we cook. And they loving it.